Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariha Suhail and today we are going to be doing a little experiment and putting on my lips all the shade of nude lipsticks that I have. So let's get into this. So the very first shade that I have here is this from Beauty For Real. It's in the shade number 18. Wow, it completely washes my face out. Sometimes when I feel like erasing my lips, I put on this lipstick, so it feels like I don't have any lips at all. So the second shade that we have is from Context. It's in the shade Tears Are Falling. I did not see that coming. That's a little too dark. Quite intense actually. So the next lipstick that we have is by Shades by Shan. It's in the shade Dubai. This is how it looks. Then we have this very special lipstick sample from Valentino that I got as a gift from Sephora on my birthday. This is how it looks. It's in the shade 100R. So these were all the bullet lipsticks. Now we have some liquid lipsticks as well. The first one we have is from Beauty For Real. It's in the shade Exposure. Now things are getting a little out of hand, but I think we got this. The next liquid lipstick we have is from Wet n Wild. This is a very special lipstick because this is the only one that I bought myself. All the others are those which I got in beauty subscription boxes, mainly from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Actually only from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So now I'm actually liking it. So the next one we have is a lip stain from Seraphim Botanicals. It's in the shade Latte. And this is the nicest smelling lipstick I have. So then we have the very last lipstick. It's from Pop Beauty. This is also very special because this is among those which I got in my very first Ipsy box, and it gives an amazing pout even when I'm not wearing 100 layers of lipstick. So let's see how it turns out. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Tell me how many shades of nude lipsticks do you guys have? I would love to know. Please tell me in the comments down below. Thank you very much for hanging out with me today. Take a very good care of yourself. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.